If you want to learn how to remove the background of your videos just like this, or maybe you want to change the background or add a different background like this, or you just want to put your face over a gaming video or a tutorial video, then this video is for you. I will show you how to remove the background of your video in CapCut step by step. Once you've opened CapCut, you drag in your footage into the timeline and then come over to this right side. You can see basic and cutout. Click on cutout, then you scroll down and click on auto cutout. Then you wait for it to load. This is the process whereby it's removing the background of the video, and once the process is complete, the background of the video will be removed. The background of the video is removed. If you play it, you can see the background is removed. Now let's add a new background. So you click and hold on this, you drag and drop it, and as you can see, the background is covering the footage. So for the footage to show, you click on this, your video, and drag it to the top. As you can see, your video is showing above the background. If you want to know where I got this live wallpaper from, just stick around because I'm going to be sharing the website where I downloaded this background from, so you can check it out. So if you want to use this background, this is how to do it. As you can see, he's showing and the background is behind him. We've changed the background, and if you want to change the background, you can also do that by deleting this one. You left click and click on delete, then you drag your new background right under it. Like I can see, your new background is showing there. Awesome. If you also want to make a gaming video, you can also drag in your footage. If you're gaming video, you can see the game is playing, and you can also reduce the size of the clip. You can reduce this, you can increase it. You come here, click on basic. You can see you can also use this scale to increase or reduce it. So now let's just reduce it and drag it to the right hand side. You can use it for your gaming videos while you talk, or your live streams. This is exactly how to do that, or your tutorial videos if you're in the education niche. So for the link where I got the live wallpaper from, just go over to Google and search live wallpaper for PC. So you can actually go with any of the links. You can click any of them to download a free live wallpaper that you can use for your video. I'm actually going to go for this one. So if we click on it, wait for it to load up, and as you scroll down, you can see various live wallpapers that you can use for your videos. Just check them out and download anyone you like. You can see nature and landscapes. If I click on this one, see this is the video right here. And to download it to your computer and to download it to your PC, all you need to do is scroll down and you see a download button. You can just click on any of them to download the live wallpaper to your PC and add it to the background of your videos. So if you found this video valuable, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.